3.
Hello everybody, welcome to Lonz Garage. Today we're going to be open boxing another product. I'm sure you've probably seen one of these, but I haven't owned one, so I'm a first timer for this one. This is a spark plug cleaner, and I did purchase this on Amazon. It says right there, spark plug cleaner, assembly and operating instructions. Assuming that's a little bag for your media. And this is the unit right here. Looks pretty simple. Looks like it has some tabs there to mount it on your workbench. I probably just mount it to something more solid, but probably not my workbench. Now, take a quick glance here. Put the bag on there. There's abrasive material included, and blast away. Well, first problem I see is I don't see the abrasive material. So how can I blast without abrasive material? Well, let me look again. Maybe it's hidden in the box. Nope, it's not here. So I'm gonna have to give this one a thumbs down for now, because I did not get any abrasive material with my product, so there's no way I can sandblast anything. I will get some abrasive material and continue this when I have it to see if it actually works once you have the prescribed media for it. So to be continued on this one. Thank you.